Hello! Is anybody inside this giant crystal cave? Huh? Hi, explorers! I'm Nova, and this is my best friend Pico. Today, we're going on an amazing adventure to discover something. Wow! Did you hear that, Pico? The cave answered me! Chirp! Chirp! A talking cave? Oh my! Don't worry, Pico. It's not a ghost. Let's explore deep inside to find out what's making that sound. Chirp okay, Leader Nova. Lead the way. Look at these huge, flat stone walls. This is the perfect place to test our mystery voice. It feels like a giant stone castle. Get ready, Pico. Let's try a funny sound this time. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Chirp! Shh, wait for it. Listen closely. Listening. Listening. There it is again! The exact same sounds we just made! Wow! The cave copies everything we say. Pico, do you know how our voices are traveling across this big cave? On a secret underground telephone? Chirp? Look at these ripples. When we talk, our voice makes invisible waves in the air, just like these water waves. Whoa! Yes, these are called sound waves. They travel through the air, even though we can't see them. I want to catch a sound wave. Chirp! Like a bouncy rubber ball. Boing! When these sound waves hit a hard, flat wall, they can't go through it. They bounce right off. Exactly. When the sound waves bounce back to our ears, we hear the sound again. That is called an echo. An echo. But echoes don't happen everywhere, Pico. Soft things like this moss absorb the sound waves instead. So the moss drinks the sound? Slurp! Hello? See? No echo here. The soft moss traps the sound waves so they can't bounce back. Wow, the moss is like a sound blanket. But out here in the big open room, with these massive hard stone walls, the sound waves can run and bounce all day. Let's play a teamwork game with the echo, Pico. We play a note and wait for the cave to copy us. I love music. Let's do it, Chirp. Here we go. Do-re-mi, bounce away, sound waves. Dance, dance, bounce, bounce. Chirp. It worked! The cave is singing our song back to us perfectly. The echo is an amazing singer. We are a great band. Science is everywhere, Pico. Even a talking cave is just sound waves having fun. I'm glad we solved the mystery together, Nova. Goodbye, beautiful Whispering Caverns. Thank you for the awesome echoes. Bye-bye, Copycat Cave. Chirp! Remember, friends, an echo happens when your invisible sound waves bounce off hard walls and fly right back to you. Just keep exploring, keep asking questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time, World Explorers. Chirp, chirp! You're my favorite adventure partner, Pico. And you're mine, Nova. Chirp.